Yes, this is Performance TV presented by Top Coat, and no, I am not Joe, and I'm certainly not Kathy. I'm Dave Dobson, and I'll be here with you for the next half hour as we visit our friends at Mobile Environmental Solutions. Hello and welcome to Performance TV. We are deep in the heart of Texas at the headquarters of Mobile Environmental Solutions just outside of Dallas, where these folks are making portable paint booths like this. And now Tom Williams is here, and he is the president of Mobile Environmental Solutions. Thank you for having us down. We've seen you in the studio, and it's good to be here.
Texas, Dave.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
All it needs is a hat, right?
That's all you need. It's a big 10-gallon cowboy hat.
Cool. I love it. This place is pretty amazing. We've had a little look around. Tell us what you do here at Mobile Environmental Solutions.
Mobile Environmental Solutions was designed to help people increase productivity and efficiency, whether it be the do-it-yourself painter, whether it be the person that's doing minor body repairs, whether it be the U.S. military that needs to do work outside in the Middle East. I mean, the uses are unlimited. If you need a clean room and you need to set up in conditions that may not be correct, all you need is a couple of 110 power outlets, and we've got you covered.
So you're not just for somebody who needs a paint booth. This is not just for painters, right?
No, I mean, it goes as far as car washes, details, ceramic coatings that needs that clean environment, window tint. I mean, the uses are truly unlimited.
And you have a lot of different sizes, a lot of different models people can use, right?
Absolutely. We build them as small as a 12 by 12. Those are the hobbyists, the guys doing airbrush, guys doing home remodels, doing cabinetry work. That you don't want to turn around and do a makeshift paint booth in somebody's house. You set this up outside the driveway and do everything right there. That way you don't have to worry about damaging anything, in transport. To build them big enough to put an Apache helicopter in, to do a semi, you name it.
And this is not just for somebody who's a hobbyist. You can be the guy at home that wants one of these for some extra space, but these are also used professionally, right?
Absolutely. I mean, predominantly a lot of our customers are using them on a daily basis, using them outdoors, using them indoors. They're made off of commercial grade quality.
Commercial grade quality, but what does that really mean for durability?
It means that the vinyl's been treated to a product that has a fire resistance to it. It means that the panels are all replaceable. It means that it can take the beating of an inflatable that's going to be used every day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, and it's got longevity, not something that's a one-time use or use a couple times and you throw away.
But when I'm setting this up, that takes a long time, right? And then I've got to worry about setup time and tear down.
You'd be surprised. You turn around, you unroll it just like you would a mattress, turn around and plug it in, it's usually up in less than 2 or 3 minutes.
That's pretty amazing. So it keeps productivity up, right?
Absolutely.
What are some of the things about your paint booths that set you apart from the other ones that are out there?
The biggest thing is our patent design that's a true cross-flow positive pressure, where it allows the air to continue, not just at the back of the booth, but it's bringing in filtered air through 2/3 of the booth to the end. And that's what really sets it apart from any other inflatable paint booth on the market.
So anybody can set up some curtains around here or make a balloon or a bubble, but you guys, safety was really the name of the game for you, right?
Absolutely, and that's what it was set up, is to create a safe environment that wouldn't necessarily be available to everybody. Not everybody has the space to set up a permanent paint booth that they're not going to use every day. We know how real estate's expensive. You can imagine tying up 400 or 500 square feet in your shop. If you're not painting every day that shop's open, you're not making money off that real estate.
Now, who are some of the customers that you see using your paint booths?
A lot of guys doing used car reconditioning. Body shops will use it for overflow. They don't want to turn around and spray a bumper or fender and tie up their big permanent paint booth that they're going to be doing complete jobs. That they need, they need that big permanent paint booth to be handling their bigger, higher revenue jobs. And they'll use these for their parts and their overflow and stuff like that.
Clearly, it's a really cool product, and I can't wait to see how it's all built and everything. One thing that stands out to me, though, is it's made in the USA. Why is that so important?
Because we can control the quality. We control the entire build process from start to finish. And it just allows us to just put a much better product out on the streets.
Well, we're really looking forward to seeing how it's designed and how it's all made and how it gets out to the consumer. And we'll have more of that when we come back to Performance TV presented by Top Coat.